Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to reverse and flip an image in Canva. Alright, let's begin. To reverse an image in Canva, start by selecting the image you want to reverse. Drag any image from the left-hand side into your project. Once it's placed, click to select the image. At the top menu, click Flip. You'll see two options, Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. To create a mirrored version of the image, click Flip Horizontal. This flips the image from left to right. If you want to turn the image upside down, click Flip Vertical. This rotates the image top to bottom. If you want to return the image to its original position, just click Flip Vertical again, then click Flip Horizontal. This resets the image to its default orientation. Using these tools, you can quickly reverse or flip any image inside Canva without needing extra software. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you customize your design easily. So that's basically how you can reverse and flip an image in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.